Blazing magnets.
Right, we've come back to fish down here because now it's stopped raining and it's turned out quite a nice afternoon actually in the end now, so we're going to magnet fish down here, see what we're going to get. We've got a marker apparently for something.
He says they all look the same.
Who? What's that?
Crocuses and daffodils.
No, they don't.
What?
Is that a sign of victory?
He says, hey Marie, look at these daffodils.
I think you're a bit far up, to be fair. I think you were a bit further down.
I can see it, yeah. It's here.
There's a bit of metal there, look. There, sticking out the ground. Where is it?
Oh, it must be in the muddiest bit.
Where's the bit of metal then?
Here.
Oh, bloody hell, it's the same colour as the bank. No wonder we couldn't see it. Hey, up, walk. Straight on it. Some forks.
Where's my bucket? Leave my bucket.
Oh, just leave them there a minute. We'll just put them straight. We'll just put it straight in the bloody bin. Oi, you nearly flicked me with that. I think we need a grappling hook here. I'll tell you what, we'll take you out for Mothering Sunday. We're not going to the pub, we're just going to go magnet fishing. Two reasons why it's more fun and it's cheaper. I suppose we could bring the patio set and have some sandwiches. I don't need to. He's on it. He's on it. Have you got it? Your mum's got it. What we got? Slowly low. Come off. Might have to come back here with 3 magnets. It's coming. So it's coming. It's coming. Is it going to stay on the magnet? Is the question.
It's scrabbling. Woo! That is heavy.
It is nearly out. I don't know what it is.
Oh, I've come off.
Now Marie's on it. Big. Look at the bubbles coming up, look, from where it's gone back down. A bit of something. I don't know what it is though. I want to find out.
Oh, this is a safe door.
Oh, is it?
Let's have a look. Yeah, that is definitely a safe door. That is a big boy and all that is, isn't it? Right, I'm gonna have to stop this.
Nah.
Right, so
What would you have kept in that?
are you standing on it?
Yeah.
So I've helped him get it out, and that is a monster safe door.
It is, it's got bolts this side.
I have not seen one we've not pulled one out that big before. That is a monster.
It's got bolts all the way
That has
down.
got to be, what, 4 foot?
Right, let's pull it out. You keep your foot there. Right, get off it.
You can't because it's got a thing on the back. Boy,
Holy crap.
that is
Look at that.
a. Watch you move your hands a minute, guys.
Who's?
That is a monster.
Yeah?
Let's come round the back. Let's have a look at the back of it. Yeah,
You
man,
got it,
that
yeah.
is. Is that what was? Is that what we were picking up then?
Yeah.
Must have been, it was immense, wasn't it?
Jeez, man, that's a big. Where's the
You know
rest?
what? I can't even lift it.
Where's the rest of it? Is what I'd like to know. Oh my word!
Oh,
Ah, it's nearly as tall as me.
Oh no! Look, it's leaking severely.
oh. Will you stop rolling it? What are you doing with it?
That is. Like and subscribe, people. Like and subscribe.
I'll keep that.
I tell you what, we don't have to find some
Look,
stuff.
yeah, look, they move.
They still move. Look.
Do they?
Yeah.
Wow.
That is. Yeah, look, it's got on the top and all. That's a monster. That is a monster
I have
flipping door.
never seen anything.
I ain't never seen a safe door that
What's in
big.
that? My crown.
Yeah.
Crown jewels, wasn't it?
I don't know.
Just look.
That's Mrs. Brown's tiara in that.
I tell you, look. She's not bothered about the safe door now. Look, she's straight back magnet fishing.
No, I'm wondering what was it, if there was anything under it.
I want to know where the rest of it is.
That's huge.
That is a big safe.
Has anybody pulled a safe out of that size?
Yeah,
door?
it's up-
Oh, I
Let's
don't
have a
know.
look at the hinges.
Look, they're like.
Yeah, I don't know. That's a big one though. I don't think we've ever seen one. Oh, I've never seen one that big.
I'll tell you something, that's proper locking system on that.
Just lay it down there. We'll have to put it over by the bin when we go.
That weighs a ton.
That's a brute, mate. Now, this goes to show, right, what you can pull with two of them.
Mag, 2 of these.
400 kilogram pull.
That weighs a
400
ton.
kilogram pull magnets, mate. Brilliant. There we go. Look, nice boat. Coming through.
Oh,
That's a hanging basket.
yeah, it's a handle.
Oh no, it's a handle off a bucket.
It's a handle.
Handle off a bucket.
Yeah, still got a bit of the bucket hanging.
There's definitely a hole in that
There's
bucket.
a big hole in my bucket.
There's a big hole in it. There's nothing left of it, to be perfectly honest.
Bucket here.
It's going to go through the locks.
Magnetic fishing.
It certainly is.
It's coming out now.
I think we've got another safe now. We've got another thing up there under the bridge that we can't get out because it's a little.
Probably come along, robbed the bank, so they've taken all the money out of the safe.
I was just
dumped
saying,
it in the water.
we found 3 shotguns.
Found 3 what?
Shotguns.
Shotgun.
Yeah.
And they handed them in.
We had to hand them in to the police.
Aw.
Here we go. Look, there it is. There we go.
Here it comes, got to do it, pull it out gradually.
What is it?
That's a safe, isn't it?
They found shotgun.
That's the same as what we found up the road, up the way there, isn't it?
There's definitely been a bank robbery.
That water's coming out of it. Can you hold it there? No, they couldn't. They couldn't debate whether it was, so they just decided to do a controlled explosion.
Probably just go up behind it and shoot it with a.
That is a big one.
That must be. Someone needs to give a hand in and help pull it out.
We can't. I can't do it. No, that's the problem. We need some more magnets.
We need one on the back of it. now.
Yeah, we need to come back tomorrow and get this back out.
Pull, give it a big pull. Might be able to.
Trouble is, the magnet will just slide straight off it.
How about if someone gets their hands in?
No, the last time I did it, I nearly lost my finger.
How?
It got stuck in it and it went back in and it chopped all the side of my finger up.
Give it a try. See there?
Because it fills back up with water. Oh, they're both sides of it now.
Horror on it.
Because it's probably been in there for some time, so all the stuff sticks to it.
Yeah, you need stronger magnets to get back now.
Oh yeah, I can see the.
Is it still locked?
Yeah.
Got
Excellent. Well done.
it out.
All
With
these strong
got it
men.
out. Got it out with help from the from some people on a boat next to us. There they are. Thank you very much. So I don't know what's in it. That's
It's a shelf.
is it the shelf?
Yeah, it's the shelf.
Yeah, it's not safe though, is it? It's like
No, it doesn't look like there's anything in it. If you wash it all off, you might find a little.
to be fair, when we've done it, because we make a mess on the bank, what we do then is we'll get a bucket
No,
and
it's empty.
we just wash it all back into the canal. So
Right, let me
we
turn
like
it.
to tidy up. So it's just the adventure of not knowing what
Yeah.
you're going to find.
You might find something amazing. Like if you get enough magnets, you might be able to hold like a
We've been looking for the plug for
Might be-
ages.
what plug?
To pull the plug
Let
on
the
the canal.
water out the canal.
We haven't found it yet though.
Yeah, drain it all out. Then you can just use the magnets.
We
and
could
pick
just get in.
everything up. Then you never know. You might find a Spitfire in there or something.
Never know.
Wow, that is quite an unusual
Safe.
cupboard. No, it's not safe. But,
It's a safe, I think.
no, it's not safe. It's like a cupboard, isn't it?
Like a lock cupboard affair, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's like a locker, isn't it?
I think it's maybe a lock. I think maybe it's with
Great finds though. Good find. We're going to just do a quick roundup of what we found. So we found all of this earlier. Put it all in by the bins. There is actually some stuff in the bins, so we've got rid of it all. Then we've got our big safe doors that we found. Never found anything that big before. It's amazing. And then our latest one is we've just pulled out that cover.